Yeah. Let's fly! Og hell.
Nei, shit. Faen, vi kjenner det.
Ja. Det ringer på RC10.
Men nå har faktisk lært han bra.
Ja. Yeah!
Du må komme att og så gjøre det over her.
Ja. Det er for mørkt, tenker jeg. Har du nå?
Ja, jeg har nå.
Men
ni kan ikke zoome inn, altså.
Nå?
Ja. Oh, shit. Ja. Oh, shit.
One more roll, please. Let's roll. An indoor car flying roll. Yes, I'm ready. Oh! You hit my skin flute. One more roll, please. One more. Yes.
It's come.
It come. Oh, roll it. Oh!
Det er rett på plass. Loop.
Loop, yeah, let's loop. Let's try to loop. It's a 3D quadrocopter.
Are you ready, Kenneth?
Yes.
I'm not ready.
RC jumping.
Yes.
Plane jumping.
In the Bumpy bear.
In the Bumpy bear suit. Okay. Let's jump. Let's jump again.
Ja, altså med nesten i fart. Mer gass. Mer gass.
With the morning wake-up bomb. It's time to wake up the valley. Det tar lang tid før det smeller da. Faen! Maskinapputte!
Nei, det var noe lunte. Fy
Where's the plane?
Bra.
Der, perfekt.
Der har vi den.
Ja, jeg har ikke noe å gi på meg, vet du.
Ok!
Kan bruke clouden nå.
We're gonna try some ass sitting.
Oh no!
Hello. This is a grenade. It's Ringerbo RC bomber. Will it work? This is an airsoft paintball grenade.
It's not a live
Not alive. No. Next round we will use nails around it.
It's time to wake up the valley.
Hvor fer det også når du begynner å kunne gjøre det? 10 der. 14 der. Hvor 10 der? 3. Det var 3. Klar? Ai, ja, si det. Ti sekunder. Datt selv. What the fuck?
Yes!
Happy New Year! Sweet!
Hopper rundt opp gangen hennes.
In bowling at the Ringbue RC.
Yes!
And
RC bowling. Ready?
Snowball. Tror du at den hang på, vet du? Ja, jeg tror kanskje det, skjønner du. Men det var drittøft, da.
Nå passer dere, altså.
Det var mye tyngre.
Kjør opp. Og nesten.
This time with the snowball.
Strike! Fikser det faen meg.
This time with the snowball.
Strike!
Nei, jeg fikk den ikke. Der går det. Oi!
Yay! Åh! Korn bak!
Oi!
Fikk du den der?
Ja! This is how we warm.
Ringbue style.
Ringbue style.
It's hot.
Yes, we have no time to lose. We have to fly in a shipwreck. We have big toilets in the Ringbue. Can't waste any time.
Yeah! What the fuck?
Røvna vi gikk på vingen.
Fy faen.
Stygt.
Ja.
Nei.
Det går så fort, vet du.
Fy faen, du ser at det liksom...
We got a Norwegian Bumpy bear ass. Yes. It's the same shit.
Klar? Ja.
Wow! Oi!
Yeah! Oi!
I like my big blue drum.
Yes.
Bam. Break.
Coffee break? Yes.
Oi!
Oi!
Ok. Ok. Jeg skal prøve å passe denne der da. Indoor flying. Yes. You're in a... Oh. 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 A white nice bear pussy.
Eps.
Let's take a review.
A review?
A review. It is warm.
It's very warm.
Very, very warm. It's a big black hole.
Big black hole. And you can take down the ears.
Ears, yes.
And be very pretty in this.
Bear pussy all over your head.
All over your head.
Nice, nice. Let's feel. Nice hair.
Yeps.
Yes. Minus 40 degrees.
No problem.
Safety, and you got some
It's
nice little hair on the side.
yes.
And it's camouflage.
It's nice and warm, and it's a helmet.
It's a helmet for Ringeborg RC.
Yeps. A Ringeborg RC helmet.
Yes, and you got no.
No.
Yes, yes.
Yes. You can
Take down this.
you can take down this.
Yeah,
And
and bear pussy in
and
your eyes.
It's fine for the sun.
Yes. You want to use this in the summer.
Yep.
Yeah. To protect your head from the sunlight.
Protect my head
Yes.
from granite.
from the
landing gear man.
From landing gear man. And then you use the bear pussy in the summer. Yes. Okay. Can I stick my hand in your bear pussy?
No.
Okay.
No, no.
Okay.
Not you.
It's the bear pussy man. Inside the plane. Oh, Ringeborg RC tip. Whoa. Nice. How we brakes in Ringeborg.
Yes.
We don't want to go.
No.
Ai! Oi!
Flotte kamera.
Så like oss. Nice bumpy landing. Ja då. Nice. Ringeborg RC tip. Oj! Shit! Nice pulseman. Oj! Before 7 o'clock. And they got a new car from Hobby King, I think. This is a new Focus. Turnigy. It's a cheap car from Hobby King. Yes. It's electric.
Yeah.
100 cells. Nice, nice, nice car. Let's see about. No. Oh, poor Alf. But what did you do?
Good luck.
And no crash. Legg inn mer utslag, du.
Nei, ingenting.
Signalgrid?
Fy
Glitch.
faen! Ja, ja, ja! Haha, it flies! Shit! Oi, wow! Wow!
Ja, gi på.
Slå av gassen du litt. Fy faen. Ja, ja, må ikke flyge. Åh.
Ja, men batteriet ringer landet opp her på sånn plass.
Oh, the landing gear fell off. The landing gear, man. Oh. Yes. Nice. Oh. Men. Oh shit! Stone, man! Hva? Bye bye. New Snowman, what is the rules for open fire close to the walls?
No rules.
No rules in Ringebu.